triangle art has vertices AB, which is A, R is A plus CB, and T is A plus C over 2, B plus D. Use coordinate geometry to prove that triangle art is isosceles. So something that is isosceles is going to have two sides that are congruent. And since I'm given letters instead of actual things to graph, I have to use the distance formula a bunch of times. So a little reminder that the distance formula is x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared, all in a square root. Comes from the Pythagorean theorem. So let's see if I hit gold. I'm going to find the difference of A, or the distance of AR. I have to find the distance of RT, and then maybe I have to find the distance of AT. And I'm going to say that. I'm going to say, and I don't even, well, yeah, I'm still going to write out my steps. We need to show that two sides are congruent. So I need to find AR, I need to find AT, and I need to find RT, and hopefully the ones that I choose strike gold. So let's start out with AR. AR is going to give me a distance of big square root. Let's call you my x sub 1s. Let's call you my x sub 2s. So x sub 2 would be A plus C minus my x sub 1, which would be A. Things disappear, squared. Plus B minus B. How convenient. 0 squared. Okay? The A's cancel out. So this just becomes C squared plus nothing is just C squared. The square root of that, C. Okay? Okay. Let's try AT. I don't have a good feeling about it at all. AT is going to be D equals probably a bigger square root. Let's do that. Let's let that be my x sub 2, x sub 1. So A plus C over 2 minus A squared plus B plus D minus B. So B plus D minus B squared. Let's bring that root over. You go away. You go away. So that ends up being C squared, C over 2 squared, which is C squared over 4 plus just D squared. Let's leave it like that because it's not going to simplify any further. There's no tricks to find the square root of a sum. So let's leave it like that. Obviously, AR and AT are not the same. So I'm guessing that RT is going to be the same as AT. And if it's not, then it better be the same as AR. Otherwise, I wasted my time. So let's find RT. Retweet. Twitter, a dying platform. The distance, let's let that again be my 2s, that be my 1s. So you're going to be A plus C over 2 minus, now be careful, I'm subtracting both A and C. So minus A minus C, close that, squared. Plus, I'm going to need more space on this one. B plus D minus B squared. You go away. you go away. All right. So this is going to be a tricky one. You ready? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. What I have to do with this guy is combine the c over 2 minus c. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this c into 2c over 2 so I can combine like terms. So minus regular c over 2 minus 2c over 2, close it, square it. You just become d squared, so all is well with that one. Okay, now I can combine these fractions. Okay, c minus 2c is negative c. 2 over 2 stays 2. That lives inside of a parentheses, squared, and you're still plus d squared. Negative c over 2 times itself is c squared over 4 positive plus d squared. If you're the praying type, you're saying right now, praise the Lord. Because AT equals RT, which means ART is Isosceles. I got really nervous starting this problem out, but we know that this is isosceles. We just have to make sure that our math proves it. And that's what we did. And so we wasted our time doing ARs, but aren't ARs a waste of time anyway? Oops, a political comment. Don't like and subscribe, I guess. Please do like and subscribe.